Hi everybody, welcome to my iPhone application development tutorial. This is a basic application tutorial that will show you how to create a volume object in your iOS application using the iOS 7 UIGravityBehavior, which is part of the UIKit Dynamics classes set provided in iOS 7. If you'd like to follow this tutorial in written form or to download the source code, please check out the link in the video description. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a single view application in Xcode. I'm going to call this UIGravityBehavior. Choose a suitable place to save. I'm just going to save it to my desktop at the moment. Great, now the first file we need to edit is the application header file, which is in the left here in the project navigation called viewcontroller.h. We need to declare two properties. The first property is going to be the IB outlet for the image that we're going to use to fall down the screen, and that should be non-atomic weak IB outlet UI image view. We'll call this image. Nice and simple. The second property we need to declare is just a normal non-atomic one, and this will be our UI dynamic animator, which we will call animator. And because our application is going to run on the click of a button, we need to declare an IB action, which we will call start. Let me change those two over. There we go, that's it for the header file. The next file we need to edit is the implementation file, which is in the left again, viewcontroller.m. The first thing we need to do is synthesize the property animator that we've just created equals animator. Now, because this thing's going to run on a button, we need to now again type in IB action start, but this time open it with a curly brackets, and anything in here means it won't run until the start button is clicked. What I'm about to type now, you can put into the view did load, which will run it on the application start. However, for this purpose, we're going to use it just so it runs on a button. So now we need to type in animator equals UI dynamic animator and alloc, which means allocate, init with reference view, which is self.view. And if we close off a square bracket here, it should add one to the beginning for us. There we go. Next thing we're going to do is a UI gravity behavior, which we will call gravity behavior, which equals UI gravity behavior allocate init with items, which is self.image. This refers to the image that we've just declared in the .h file. Close off that bracket and do that. And the next thing is in open brackets again, just the underscore animator, add behavior, and the gravity behavior that we just declared here. Great, so that's all the coding done for this project. I seem to be getting an error somewhere, 1 second. Identifier. Oh, sorry, I forgot I missed off here an @ symbol. There we go. Sorry about that. The next thing we need to do is go to our main storyboard. Now, I've got this image here from iconfinder.com. However, please double check that any image you do use is royalty free and free for commercial use, so that you don't end up getting sued. Now if we drag this image into our project navigator here and make sure that we have ticked copy items into destination groups folder, that means it will put it with the rest of your files for your application. Now that's been added in, we can go down here to the media library, drag that image onto the screen. Place it anywhere we want, preferably at the top, considering the image is going to fall from the top. At the bottom here where it says View Controller, if you click this, hold down and drag upwards until you've selected the image and release those, and then click Image in the little dialog that opens up. The next thing we need to do is add in a button from the Objects library and place that again anywhere. Double tap that and we'll rename that to Start. Click and drag again from that down to this button here and click Start. There we go, the application should be finished. When we load this up and press Start, the bomb should fall from the top of the screen down to the bottom. Please bear with me a moment, my iPhone simulator is a bit slow at opening. And don't forget, you can view the written tutorial for this video in the link provided below, and you can also download the source code from that link. Sorry about this, it's been running slow all day, I have no idea why. Oh, something's happening, it's good. Now, so as you can see, the application is loaded. If we click the Start button here, the bomb should fall. Perfect, there we go. Thank you for watching. I look forward to doing another one. Please like and share, and I will see you soon.